warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Cahyani. My student ID number is 037. Here I would like to present my answers about the middle test question of statistic in 5th semester in A class. So the first question is about the differences between the positive and negative correlations. My answer is the positive correlation is when two variable has the same result. Like when there are variable a and b, they are correspondingly increased together or decreased together. Then, as the example is, if you are oftenly using your gadget, then the sooner your eyes will get the a disease, like you got a minus or etc. And then for the second is negative correlations. It defined when two variables like a and b, they are not correspondingly increased or decreased. So it is happen when the variable a is decreased and the variable b is increased, and the vice versa. As the example is, if there are many coffee factories, then there will be the less vacant land. And move to the next question is the second questions about the definitions of correlations research, but not causative. I already found the answer that it means that there are two variables, but they have relations and the same points, but they have no causativity. As the example, like the stars and the moon, both of them are decorating the night skies, but it doesn't mean that they came from the same source. The light come from the same source. So the moon is only reflecting the sunlight, but the stars emit their own light, like that. Okay, let us move to the last or the third question, that is the difference between sig p-value 0.05 and 0.01. So for the answer, I already found that 0.05 is called as alpha and defined as the maximum error specified by the researchers, and the 0.01 is called as the p-value, and it is defined as the amount of probability. So for the example, one day there are a coffee owner that estimate there will be 50 customers who came to the shop at the first time when they open the coffee shop, and then there are researchers that want to count the probability of how many customers will come at the day. And the researchers have found that there are more than 50 customers that come at the day to the coffee shop, and it is indicated that the probability is 0.02%. So it can conclude that the null hypothesis is rejected because the p-value is smaller than alpha. Then the alpha itself is 0.5% and the p-value is 0.02%. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.